Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2000 Honda Valkyrie. This is the GL1500 6-cylinder, liquid cooled. This bike is awesome. It's got a flat 6, tons of torque, super smooth, beautiful satin black finish with chrome side covers, great sounding 6-into-2 exhaust. This bike is in beautiful shape. Rear passenger backrest, luggage rack. Come by, make your big bore cruiser dreams come true on this beautiful Valkyrie touring cruiser. Just $59.99, 41,000 well cared for miles. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 great used bikes for you. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. She purrs like a kitten. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.